Hi, want to know how to enable or disable assistant menu shortcuts on your Samsung Galaxy A14? So, as a first step, we would need to open settings on our phone and then scroll to the end of this page. Here, we would need to go to this tab which is named Accessibility and then Interaction and Dexterity. Here, we would need to enable this feature which is named Assistant Menu. Then, we would need to allow Assistant Menu to have full control of our phone by clicking this Allow button. And here is it how the Assistant Menu looks. This is icon with 4 squares on it, and by clicking on it here we will have a lot of interesting features. For example, here we can open recent apps or we can control volume like this. Then we can find some more features by swiping to the left, for example notification panel or screen control. Here is it how it looks. And this is it how the assistant menu works. If you would like to edit the assistant menu or remove it at all, firstly we would need to click on it and then here find this button which is named menu settings. Here we will get to the assistant menu settings where you can adjust them, remove some features, add some new features, and also disable it by clicking on this button and here confirming turn off. This is it, the assistant menu has disappeared. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.